right, today we're going to bring on over-the-ear headphones, and these are great for those that work in the field or work in construction and need to hear around your surroundings. These are great. So let me show you a couple of things that you should be aware. So first of all, it comes in a large case like this. It looks like more like a glass case for glasses, all right? There's a Type-C. It's because it holds a lot of punch and a lot of battery. If you guys can see, there's a lighting in here, and this is the opening of them. Let me open it up so you guys can see it. Now you're going to see the charging here. R and left, all right? R is for right, left is for L. You can see 61% we have on the fully charged right now. This is individually set up for L and R. And then they are magnetic, all right? So you have a magnet here that magnetizes and connects to the system. Now, each one has different function, all right? There's a button right underneath of it. One's for pausing, and one's for play, and then volume control too, all right? Now, another great thing, if you have Siri or maybe Google Home or anything that you want to talk to, or Alexa, this is one way you do it. So you hold down the button and you'll bring up your manual, and it automatically will ask you what you want to do, your next process. And your Bluetooth settings is going to come on as S8, all right? So very simple to set up. Very comfortable, easy to use. Take it to the job sites, take it to your project, your next run. I hope you guys enjoy the video.